Hi guys! Bakit naman daw magandang magsimula ng sariling brand ng lotion ngayong 2025? Pag-usapan natin to. Alam niyo, ang lotion ay isa naman talaga sa mga needs natin when it comes with taking care of our skin, not just on our face, but of course on our whole skin body, no? Whole body skin natin kailangan. We also take care of our body skin, not just on our faces, diba? So, what is the formulation behind the lotion that is now open for private labeling na meron kami? We have a combination of actives which is glutathione and arbutin. Ano naman daw ang nagagawa ng gluta-arbutin lotion, no? So, ayan ha. Ulitin ko yung paglagay. Sobrang bango niya lang, guys. Sobrang bango niya. Ayan. Meron siyang, ang fragrance niya is Love Spell by VS. So, sobrang bango niya talaga. So, gluta-arbutin lotion formulation, it has SPF 50. Of course, what are the skin benefits naman ng tinatawag nating gluta-arbutin? So, skin whitening and brightening yan. Of course, mabilis ma-absorb yan ng balat natin. Sobrang dami lang yung nalagay ko. Of course, it fades away those dark spots and scars. Antioxidant protection. And of course, moisturizes and hydrates your skin. Evens out your skin tone. Gentle exfoliation. Anti-aging benefits. And of course, suitable yan for all skin type. And FYI, it has UV protection support as well. So, if ikaw ay gustong magsimula ng sarili mong brand ng lotion and you are hesitant, you do not know what is the ingredients na gusto mong ilagay, ganyan, and your goal is to have a brand that can whiten the skin, anti-aging benefits, ito na yon, gluta-arbutin ang ating formulation. And if you are interested naman na gumawa ng sarili mong brand ng lotion, you already have an idea what are the ingredients na gusto mong ilagay, we can help you build and formulate your own brand, no? Pwede ka rin mamili sa ating mga, ayan, acrylic na lagayan na yan na pangmalakasan for 250 ml, no? So, you can definitely start your own brand of lotion with us. All you have to do is to message us directly. Thank you!